सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 2, verse number 21. वेदा विनाशिनं नित्यम् येनमजमव्ययम् कथं स पुरुषः पार्थ तं घातयति हन्तिकम्। Lord Krishna started his teaching from the shloka 11th onwards. 11th shloka onwards, Atma Vidya he has started. Atma Vidya is equal to Brahma Vidya. Vidya means knowledge. Atma means consciousness or self. So Atma Vidya means self knowledge, otherwise called as Brahma Vidya. Brahma Vidya means self knowledge. Why two names? Atma Vidya also self-knowledge, Brahma Vidya also self-knowledge. Why two names? What is the difference? No difference. From a standpoint, from individual standpoint, Atma Vidya, microcosm level. The whole total consciousness, when it is available in this body, particular individual body, that total consciousness alone is called Atma. Why it is called Atma? The definition, Apnoti sarvam iti Atma. That which pervades, Apnoti. Apnoti sarvam iti Atma. Then what is the meaning of Brahman? Brahman means Brahmati, Brihattamatvat Brahma, microcosm level. The same consciousness from the total standpoint, macrocosm level. It is called Brahma. Just as we call this, the space in this pot, we call it as pot space. But that space which is pervading everywhere, not only in the pot, outside also, that is called total space, Mahakasha. This is called Ghatakasha. Same way, Atma means that which is available in this body. Just we have to call one name we keep. That's why it is called Atma Vidya. Knowing the nature of Atma Swarupam or Brahman. What is the nature of Brahman? That Brahman, this Atma are one and the same, therefore I can use loosely anywhere Atma or Brahman, don't get confused. Okay? Whenever I say either Atma or Brahman, you have to take in synonyms. This Atma is eternal, Nityaha, Satyaha, ever existent principle, Sarvagataha, all pervading, Aprameyaha, unobjectifiable, You cannot objectify it as an object. Therefore, aprameyaha, avyayaha, there is no vyayam for this Atma, no declension. This Atma is akarta, abhokta, non-doer. It never does anything. Abhokta, it never enjoys also anything. Abhokta. So all these definitions Lord Krishna has explained. We are seeing the 21st shloka, having completed the features of Atma up to 20th shloka. Lord Krishna given 8 features. Asangaha also he said. Atma is asangaha. Ekaha. Atma is one. There are no many Atmas. One Atma, just as one space pervading in the 2 spots. One space, same space in this spot, same space in this spot also. In between, different space? No. Surrounded to the pot, different space? Same space. Similarly, you cannot say how many parts are there, so many spaces are there, you cannot say. 10 pots are there, therefore 10 spaces are there. Do we say like that? Never. Only one space available in many parts. Available outside the pots also, but not useful. Yes, the space outside is not useful. Similarly, Atma also is ekaha only. Single, only one, available in all the bodies, in between bodies also, but not recognizable. After giving this, in the 21st shloka, Lord Krishna tells, Hey Partha, Saha Purushaha Kam Yaha Veda. Whom can that person who knows such a type of Atma, after knowing all this future, Saha Purushaha, who knows in this manner, this Atma is Nityaha, eternal, na jayate, na mriyate, ajaha. I forgot that. Ajaha, birthless, na mriyate, deathless, at any time, kadachit. That Atma was there, is not going to be there. Nothing has come from that Atma. Please adjust, come forward, there is a gap. Come front. That Atma, from that Atma nothing has come. Not only that, that Atma has not come from anything. Clear? From the Atma nothing has come. That means it is not the cause of any products. At the same time, this Atma is not the product of from any other cause. Na bhutva bhavitavana bhuyaha. It has not born from anything, it is not going to be the cause or not the cause of anything to give birth. பெரிய ஆத்மா, அப்புறம் சின்ன ஆத்மா, குட்டி ஆத்மா, போட்டுட்ட ஆத்மா, குழந்தைகள் எல்லாம் வந்தாச்சு ஆத்மாக்கண்ணா. அப்படிதானே சுவாமி, நான் ஆத்மா தானே, என்னுடைய சன்ன சின்ன குட்டி ஆத்மானோ, அப்படிலாம் ஆத்மா குட்டி போட்டுட்டே இருக்குமாண்ணா. அதுதான் லார்ட் கிருஷ்ணா சேஸ், ந பூத்வா பவிதாவான பூயஹ. Nothing can come from Atma, Atma is not come from anything. So therefore, whoever knows in this manner, how can he kill that Atma? How can he killed by that anyone? That Atma cannot be killed by anyone. That Atma can never kill others. Enam ajam avyayam. As said before, Atma is ajam அஜஹா, இந்த ஆத்மாவை எது பர்த் இல்லாமல் இருக்கோ அந்த ஆத்மா அஜம், அவ்யயம், டிக்ளங்ஷன்லெஸ் ஆத்மா. அதுக்கு டிக்ளங்ஷனே கிடையாது. You cannot destroy it. There is no destruction will take place in that, to that Atma. Katham saha purushaha ghatayati, kam hanti, kam ghatayati. What he can kill, how can he killed by others? The body is going to, he is going to kill the body. Body, if you kill or not, one day or other it is going to die. It will disappear. Body is not nityaha. Body is not ekaha. Anekaha. Shariras are anekam. Not sarvagatam. Wherever this body there only. Thank God. We are not all pervading. Bodies. இதுக்கே இடம் பத்தாமலே கஷ்டப்படுறோம். So it is not sarvagataha. It is not avyayaha. It is vayaha. Vardhate, jayate, viparinamate, apakshiyate. So all contradictions, body, all these lakshanams are opposite to this sthula shariram. So therefore, you the Arjuna, now here is the crucial point. When you talk one person, that point he is going to reveal, and I am giving idea before itself. Sthula Shariram and Sukshma Shariram and Atma. நான் அனு சொன்ன உடனே இந்த மூணு இருக்கு இதுல. நான் அனு யாராவது சொன்ன I am, who am I? And I am so and so, Sthula Shariram. First autobiography. I am qualified. I am so and so. I am son of so and so. I am father of so and so. I am husband of so and so. Or I am wife of so and so. So this belongs to which shariram? Sthula shariram. Then the three factors are there. I am means there are three factors, important factors to note. If we understand that three factors only, the whole Bhagavad Gita you can grasp. So Sthula shariram means gross body. Then the second factor is mind plus consciousness, chidabhasa. Or sabhasa antakaranam. Antakaranam is manas. And the sabhasa antakaranam mind by itself is jadam, inert. It borrows sentience from the third factor, that is consciousness. Consciousness is the third factor. Now how many factors are there? I am and மூணு விஷயங்கள் இருக்கு அதுல. நான் சொன்ன உடனே அதுல மூணு இருக்கு. என்னென்ன இருக்கு? ஸ்தூல சரீரம் இருக்கு, இந்த உடல், பஞ்சபூத உடல், கிராஸ் பாடி, விசிபிள் டு எவ்ரிஒன். தென் சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம், மைண்ட், அந்தఃகரணம், this jnanam, knowledge, emotions, all where they are taking place. I am happy, I am sad, all this in the mind. That is called sukshma shariram. So this sukshma shariram is the second factor. This sukshma shariram mind also jadam, inert. I-N-E-R-T, inert. Jadam. It is not chetanam, not sentient by itself. What this mind does, it has a capacity to take the sentiency from the consciousness, the third factor. Consciousness means chaitanyam artham. Sentient principle, chetanatvam. And the chaitanyam, this mind borrows, it will become sentient. Start functioning, thinking. So borrowed the sentiency from the consciousness, and what it does, this Sthula Shariram asks, hey, எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் குடு, எனக்கு சென்சியன்சி இருக்கு இல்லையோ, ஏன் I am ஜடமா விழுந்திருக்கேங்க, give அண்ணா, okay, take, friend, இது ஜடம், அது ஜடம். இந்த மைண்ட் என்ன பண்ணும்? It gives sentiency to the body. Then the body start functioning. All actions it does. Now you see, in the middle, mind is the lender of consciousness to the body, sthula shariram. Mind is the borrower of consciousness from the OC, original consciousness. அழகா இருக்குல்ல ஸ்டோரி? ஸ்டோரி இல்ல, நிஜம். இது கதை இல்ல, நிஜம். அது மாதிரி சீரியல் இல்ல, நிஜம் இல்ல கதைன்னு சொல்லுவா. நம்ம என்ன சொல்ல, கதை இல்லப்பா இது நிஜம். So mind borrows sentiency from the consciousness, that is called Atma, that is called Brahman, and lends sentiency to the body. So இப்போ நான் சொன்ன இங்க மூணு இருக்கு. இதுல ஸ்தூல சரீரம், சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம், ஆத்மா. இதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்ன சொன்ன? மிரர், ஒரிஜினல் சன், ரிஃப்ளெக்டட் சன். அண்ட் ஸ்தூல சரீரம் என்ன பண்றது? நோயிங் ஆல் தி திங்ஸ் இன் த வேர்ல்ட். This reflected sun in the mirror, what it does, the medium helping to what? To know the dark room, illumines the dark room. So the world is compared to a dark room, body is compared to a mirror, okay? And the mind, reflected consciousness compared to the reflected sun, and original sun is compared to original consciousness. இது சொன்ன முன்னாடி ஞாபகம் இருக்கு நினைக்கிறேன், இருந்தா நல்லது. So now Lord Krishna is going to say, next shloka, in the shloka number 22, he is going to say what happens to the jiva at the time of death. He is going to say, even scientists till today they are not able to know what is happening after death. It is a challenge for science till today, they are not able to get the answer. Lord Krishna says, this jiva, the mind is called mind, sukshma shriram is called jiva. This mind plus atma irukku, jada manasu plus atma put together chidabhasa. இந்த சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரத்துக்கு என்ன பேர்? என்ன? ரிஃப்ளெக்டட் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ்க்கு சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல சிதாபாசன்னு பேர். சாபாச அந்தఃகரணம், சாபாச அந்தःகரணம் ஆர் சிதாபாச. When the dissociation of the body is called death. What do you mean by death? Dissociation of the sthula shariram is called death. At the time of death, the sukshma shariram drops the gross body. It leaves the gross body. This sukshma shariram enna pannum? It travels. Because Atma is all pervading. This is sentient sukshma shariram. Mind is sentient. Enna pannum? Travel pannum. Adida soul is traveling. Ipo puriyadha enna soul travel pandrathu? Shraddha karma, everything you do for whom? This sukshma shariram. Sabhasa antahkaranathagadas in the shraddha karma ella pandrathu. So this mind is sentient, it travels. How it travels? Moves. Jadam, inert, how it can move? Because with the help of consciousness. So okay, Swamini, Sukshma Shariram is moving, consciousness also moving konchum konchum anna. Consciousness cannot move, need not move. Why? All pervading. Very good. So consciousness is all pervading, it need not move. Since Atma consciousness is all pervading, this mind becomes sentient. In the உடம்பிலையோ இந்த சூக்ஷ்ம ஸ்ரீ என்ன பண்ணுமோ? நெக்ஸ்ட் பாடிக்காக தேடிட்டு இருக்குமா? This is the biggest doubt in the minds of people. What happens to us in? இதுதான் நடக்கிறது. இந்த just as we go to the green room and change the dress, சீக்கிரட்டா போய் ட்ரெஸ் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிட்டு வரோம் இல்லையா? இந்த ட்ரெஸ் போட்டுட்டு இன்னொரு ட்ரெஸ் போட்டுட்டு வரோம். அந்த மாதிரி இந்த சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம்னா யாருக்கு தெரியாமலே இன்விசிபிளா, இது தெரியாது இல்லையா கண்ணுக்கு. இட் இஸ் இன்விசிபிள். சூக்ஷ்மம். வை இட் இஸ் இன்விசிபிள்? சூக்ஷ்மத்வாத். இட் இஸ் சட்டில். Therefore it is invisible. Secret போய் next body is what? You go to shopkeeper, shopkeeper look at you. You are a male person, you will bring the male person dress. Then female and the female dress he will brings to the show us. And kids comes, their dress. அது அவங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன ட்ரெஸ் வேணுமோ என்னென்ன மாதிரி அது கரெக்டா யூ வில் பிரிங். அதே மாதிரி இந்த ஷாப்கீப்பர் பகவான் ஈஸ்வரா. ஈஸ்வரா என்ன பண்ணுவா, இந்த சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம் தேடி நிற்கும் போது பாடிக்காக எந்த பாடி கொடுக்கணும்னு எப்படி கொடுப்பா ஈஸ்வரன்னா, இவனை பண்ண கர்மா இருக்குல்ல, புண்ணியம் பாப்பம், அந்த புண்ணிய பாப்ப கரன்சி போய் பகவானுக்கிட்ட கொடுப்பான். இது என்னுடைய புண்ணிய பாப்பம் கரன்சி பணம், அது வச்சுட்டு எனக்கு ஒரு சரீரங்கள். அவர் பாப்பார், என்ன சரீரம், பஃபலோவா, டாங்கியா, ஹியூமன் பீயிங்கா, கருப்பாம்பூச்சியா, என்னென்ன சரீரம் வரும் இவனுக்குன்னு చెప్పి ஈஸ்வரா எக்ஸாக்ட்லி அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி எடுத்துக்கோ அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவான். அந்த சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம் will enter into that body and enter in the womb of buffalo body என்ன buffalo womb, donkey body என்ன donkey womb, dog body என்ன dog womb. Jiva enters. That's what he says. Now look into the shloka. We'll read 22. Vasamsi jirnani yatha vihaya navani gृह्णाति naroparani तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णानि अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि यथा, just as Naraha, a human being, Naraha is in the second line. Just as the human being, Jirnani Vasamsi, Jirnani, the worn clothes, the torn clothes, old clothes. Vasamsi means clothes. Jirnani Vasamsi, Vihaya, having given up, gives up, vihaya. What he does? Aparani navani gृह्णाति. Aparani, other. Giving up this, changing this dress, gives up the old dress, taking up the new dress. Aparani means other. Navani means new. Aparani, navani, other new ones, gृह्णाति, takes. Tatha, in the same manner, just as the human being leaves his old dress and takes the new dress, same way, tatha. Yatha tada, correlative. Just as in the same manner, another. Just as this human being changes his dress, takes the new dress, this Dehi is who? Sabhasa antahkaranam. Dehi means Deham asya asti iti Dehi. Mind plus Atma. Consciousness. Chidabhasa antahkaranam is called Dehi. What this Dehi does? Tatha Dehi जीर्णानि शरीराणि विहाय, जीर्णानि शरीराणि, that bodies which are worn out, பல்லெல்ல போச்சு, கண்ணுக்கு தெரியல, ஆல்ரெடி ஓல்டு, so ஜீரணம் old ன்னு அர்த்தம். Suppose some people are not old, they are dying, prarabdha is over ன்னு அர்த்தம். Prarabdha is over. So they will also leave this body. So that is called Jiranam. Once the prarabdham is over, you have to exhaust your karma, that is over, it is called Jiranam. This body is Jiranam in artham. So this body is to exhaust your punya papa. Why you have come here? To exhaust our punya papa in the form of sukha and dukkha. So when I am enjoying sukha, getting sukham, a lot of sukha, Allah punya enna? And all this is called punya. Suppose suffering, papa is visible in ardham. Visible papa is what? Dukkham. Visible punyam, sukham. In the terms romba twisting in matter. Visible punyam is sukham. Visible sukham. Punyam is sukham. Punyam papa are adrishtam. Invisible. Punya and papa are invisible. And that's why it is called adrishtam. Nadrishtam, adrishtam. Once that adrishtam, invisible punya, it become visible. What it is called? Sukham. Punya karma. It comes as a sukham. Once the papa, which is invisible, adrishta rupena is their papa. This body has come to exhaust. Then papa what does? Papa வந்து exhaust பண்ணுமா in the body. What is that papa when it is visible? Dukkha. That is why mutti vali, mudugu vali, dukkha. Tala vali. Ella vali, ella varudhenna problem. Papa is rectifying. Adanaala don't blame anybody. Say, unga sukhathukku, dukkhathukku yaar kaaranam? Naane da. Adithama sollunga. அப்பதான் நம்ம கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்ணாமல் இருக்க முடியும். நானே other people are saved from us. Okay, so navani जीर्णानि शरीराणि विहाय अन्यानि नवानि samyati. This jiva sabhasa antakaranam gives up this body once exhausted prarabdha fully. Anyani navani sanyati. Another new body it has to take. Why? Chumma irukkodadhu onna. Are karma irukka previous body la panna karma punya papa karma irukliyo. To exhaust that it requires a body. Therefore association with another body. This is what Arjuna happening. Death means what? Dissociation with the previous body. Birth means what? Association with the new body. எந்த பாடின்னு கேட்காதுங்க. ஈஸ்வரனுக்கு தான் தெரியும். அது நம்ம பண்ண கர்மா என்ன இருக்குன்னு நமக்கேன் தெரியும். அதுதான் நல்ல கர்மாக்கள் பண்ணுங்க, ஹியூமன் ஜென்ம வேணும் అని சொல்லுவா சாஸ்திரம். So அன்யானி நவானி ஷரீராணி சய்யாதி. Who is taking this? Sayyati means attains. Who attains? Jiva. Who is that Jiva? Dehi. Who is that Dehi? Sabhasa antakaranam, that is manas. That's why whatever shraddha karma you do for this Jiva to get a good body, when he was living he might have not done any good karma. At least anukaha ஏதாவது புண்ணிய கர்மா பண்ணா ஒரு நல்ல சரீரம் கிடைக்கும் ani நம்ம 13 நாள் கர்மாக்கள் எல்லாம் பண்ணுவான். Now this modern science is not able to see this invisible sukshma shariram. So what they say, all these shardha ceremonies and all rituals and all meaningless they say. But Shastra says you have to do even though they are invisible. Sukshma shariram is invisible because it is sukshmam, you cannot see. To prove it is there or not, your perception is not reachable there. You cannot disprove it. Because I am not able to see my sukshma shariram, இந்த ஆளு போயிட்டு உடம்பு விட்டுட்டு அவன் இருக்கான்னு யாருக்கு தெரியும்? இதுக்கெல்லாம் எதுக்கு சார்த்த கர்மா எல்லாம் பணம் எல்லாம் வேஸ்ட் and people are asking. Who knows that person is there? It is, I am not seeing, they say. What Shastra says? You have no right to say it is non-existent sukshma shariram because it is invisible for your sense organs. For example, say, can I say you don't have mind? Because I am not seeing your mind. Challo mudiyuma? I mean, who are you to say my mind is not there? Allah unnaku theriyala appa un mind anna. Otthukku mudiyuma? You tell this answer if anybody says, edukku inda shraddha karma alla, this charvaka, this modern younger generations, they are never believe. Modern anna, even middle-aged people also, they are not believing. Why this Shardha Karma and they are asking. So therefore, everything cannot be proved with your sense organs. Your disproval, no, that you are not able to prove, it doesn't mean it is not existent. Never say it is not existent. It is existent. What is Pramana? Shastra is the Pramana. That's what Lord Krishna says. Death means nothing but dissociation with this present body. And birth means again association with the new body. That's all. Simple solitary. Even Arjuna. Next shloka. 23. Nainam chindanti shastrani. Nainam dahati pavakaha. Na chainam kledayam vyapaha. Na shoshayati marutaha. Since this Atma is eternal, enam atmanam shastrani na chindanti. Hey Arjuna, weapons can never destroy this Atma. Even they cannot destroy mind. What to talk of Atma? Sukshma Shariram can never be destroyed. Bhishma body even you can destroy, but Bhishma Sukshma Shariram continue. Anadi Kala Pravrittihi, mind. Mind is coming from Anadi Kala. It is not newly born. So therefore, even though you leave this body, that's why suicide is Mahapapam. People do suicide, no? They say, no, in the custom ella and suicide panna. Are in the body la polalo, in the jeevan, therapy take another body. Innoru koncham papam jaasti avaru. You have to suffer further. That's why in our culture, suicide is Mahapapam. It's because that mind will continue. And it will take another body. Therefore, you can destroy only this, what? Gross body. This gross body only can be afflicted by the weapons. Here, Shastrani means this body is made up of 5 elements. What are they? Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Jala, Prithvi. Shastrani means it represents all the Prithvi Tattva. Any weapon came from what? Earth only. Metal, any metal came from what? Earth. Wood from earth only. So any weapon they manufacture with either wood or metal. Anything, it is born from the Prithvi. Therefore, Shastram is equal to Prithvi. Prithvi Moolama, ivanukku Atmaku endha nashtamu varadu. Nachindanti, they cannot cut. The weapons do not cut this Atma. Number 1. Number 2, the first element, from down we are coming, Prithvi over. And then Agni, he says, Yenam Pavakaha na dahati. Pavakaha means Pavaka illa. Pavakaha means fire principle. Fire principle. This fire will never, what is the nature of fire? Burning. Dahanam. Na? Dahdhatana. Dih. That's why it is called Deha. Dihya, it is burnable. It can be burned. That's why it is called Deha. Who burns? Fire. Therefore, Pavakaha na dahati. Whom? Enam Atmanam. This Atmavai, the fire destroy panna mudiyadu. ஒரு இன்சிடென்டல் பாயிண்ட். ஃபயர் சொன்ன உடனே இன்னொரு பாயிண்ட் ஞாபகம் வருது. வாட்டர் இஸ் ஹாட். வாட்டர் இஸ் ஹாட் வாட்டர். Why water is hot? Because water is in the vessel, hot vessel. பாத்திரம் சூடா இருக்கு, அதனால ஜலம், பாத்திரம் இருக்கிற ஜலம் சூடா இருக்கு. சோ இந்த ஜலம் சூடா இருக்கிறதுக்கு காரணம் என்ன? பாத்திரம். இந்த சூடான பாத்திரம். சரி, இந்த பாத்திரம் ஏன் சூடா இருக்குப்பா? It is on the fire, because of fire. So water is hot because of vessel, vessel is hot because of fire, fire is hot because of because it's nature. Fire is hot because, not because of anything, it is its nature. அதே மாதிரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, பாடி இஸ் சென்ஷியன்ட் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் மைண்ட், மைண்ட் இஸ் சென்ஷியன்ட் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் consciousness, consciousness is sentient because of consciousness, consciousness is independently sentient, chetana. Mind is close the glasses, mind is dependently sentient, body is dependently sentient. Body and mind are dependently sentient. Therefore, this body is made up of 5 elements. Adula fire irukka illiyo? Adha ushnam irukke, temperature. That temperature is there. So that burning fire, external fire will burn this body. Not Atma, which is Nityaha. How can this fire can burn? Because this Atma is not made up of fire. Another corollary, this body is the effect, came out of fire principle. Fire means Ushnata. And the 5 elements சேர்ந்து தான் இந்த உடம்பு வந்தது. அதனால தத்துவ போத ஞாபகம் இருக்கணும். Those who are not studied தத்துவ போத, at least listen to the cassettes, otherwise subject is difficult. So the body is the cause, the effect. Fire is the cause. So the effect has to merge into what? Cause. Therefore it has to go into fire principle. Therefore it will be burnt. Whereas Atma is not born out of fire principle. Therefore this fire cannot touch the Atma. And the pakkame poga mudiyadhu. Who are you? Consciousness will ask, who are you are coming touching me? It cannot, because consciousness is all pervading. It is not born out of fire. On the other hand, all the 5 elements born out of consciousness. In Taittiriya Upanishad it comes, Tasmad dva etasmad atmana akashas sambhutaha akashad vayuhu vayoragnihi agnirapaha adbhya prithvi. So panchabhuta udal, panchabhutam moolama afflict aham. எவ்வளவு பியூட்டி பார்லருக்கு போனாலும், எவ்வளவு மெடிசின்ஸ் எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டாலும், ஜெரண்டாலஜி ஓல்ட் ஆகாமலே கஷ்டப்படுறாங்க. அரே முடியாதப்பா, இது போய் தான் ஆகணும். டு சமர்ப்பணம் பண்ணணும் அந்த 5 எலிமெண்ட்ஸுக்கு. புரியுறதா? அதுதான் இந்த ஆத்மா பாவகா ந தஹதி, ஏனம் na dahati, atmanam na dahati. It cannot burn, it cannot make into ashes. This fire cannot make the atma into ashes, but fire can make the body into ashes. Then the third is apaha na kledayanti enam atmanam. Kledanam means making wet. What is the nature of water? Making wet everything. That is the nature of water. Burning is the nature of the fire. Similarly, water is nature is making wet. So in the water can make the atma wet? No. Na kledayanti. Apaha means here water. Water principle. One of the 5 elements. That's why whenever we ask people generally, how this creation came, it came from 5 elements, Swamini. Dharanama Shulva. Udane. How this creation has come and keta? Because of 5 elements. I am asking how 5 elements came. People don't think at all. ஏதோ சொல்லிடும் ஆன்சர்னு சொல்றானே தவிர how the 5 elements came. Therefore Shastra is the only pramana. If you study Shastra only, you can know Bhagavan, from Brahman only 5 elements have come. Clear there? So na kledayanti, then marutaha na shoshyati. What is the nature of air? Making dries up everything. Making dry. Marutaha means air, wind. Na shoshyati, does not dry this Atma. Vetta aanadhane dry panna mudiyum, vette aagala dry panna mudiyadu. Not necessary. Not necessary. They cannot touch. That's why in Ayurveda, Vata, Pitta, Kapham, 5 elements they give to this body, not to the even Sukshma Shariram. They give medicine to this Sthula Shariram, which is made up of 5 elements. The Agni principle and wind principle, Kapham, and the water principle. All these they give the medicine. Because dosha in the body. And the 5 elements imbalance in matter. 5 elements and 4 than Chonna Swamini, what happened to Akasha? Akasha is Asangaha. Akasha will never cause destruction of anything. Is Asangaha. Akasha is Asangaha. It will never destroy anything. It never cause for destruction of anything. No one can destroy the Akasha. Akasha cannot destroy anything. அப்போ அது இனபிலிட்டியா சுவாமினி டெஸ்ட்ராய் பண்ணாமல் இருக்கிறதுன்னா அது இனபிலிட்டி இல்லை, இட் இஸ் கிரேட்னஸ். ஆமா, அப்போ 5 elements cannot destroy the Akasha. Okay, even if these 5 elements cannot afflict the Akasha, Akasha will not be afflicted by anything. Akasha cannot afflict anything. அப்போ ஆத்மாக்கு ஆகாசத்துக்கு என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ்? இதுதான் crucial question. ஆகாஷ சர்வகதா, ஆகாஷ இஸ் அசங்கா. இப்படியோ ஆகாஷ unattached, detached. It is also all pervading, every time it is there. அப்போ what is the difference between ஆகாஷ and ஆத்மா? இன்னொரு ஆகாஷம் இருக்கு, ஆத்மா ஒன்னும் இருக்கு, ஒன்னு இருக்குன்னு இல்லை. There are common features, all these are. There is uncommon feature one, that is Akasha is Jadam, inert, insentient Akasha. The space principle is insentient, Jadam, whereas Atma is sentient. In the ஒரே ஒரு principle மூலமாக Atma and Akasha are different. So therefore Arjuna, really speaking, no one can destroy this consciousness Atma. That is your real nature. Dashamoshmi, the story therimo. Dashamas Tvamasi, a story irukku. The 10 or students of our guru, or 10 students வந்து குரு ஆசிரமத்துக்கு போறான். 10 students are going to cross the river. They want to reach that side, that shore. At that side la ashramam irukku. Those days no boat, and in the brahmacharigal paname kediyadu. So they have to swim and go and cross that river and reach that side. After crossing by swimming, all of them, 10 of them gone that side, and they have got a doubt. Ara namakku enni paakalam, ellarume irukoma illiya, 10 of us are there or not, or யாராவது வந்து தண்ணியில் அப்படி போயிட்டானோ அண்ணே. சரி, எல்லாம் நிற்க வச்சுட்டான். ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ ஸ்டாண்ட் சொல்லி ஒருத்தன் என்ன பண்ணிட்டான், கவுண்டிங் 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, ஒரு 9 தான் இருக்க, 10வது ஆளு ட்ரைடனா. இங்க they are all started crying. Again another person came. Are you count properly, எனக்கு கணக்கு தெரியாது, நீ கவுண்ட் பண்ணு. இன்னொரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் வந்து he made them all to stand and he started counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Correct, somebody died, one student out. Again they started crying. Then one Mahatma is going that side. He asked, why you are all crying? Now one of our friend, he has gone in this water, he died. How do you know? Amma, we are counting. When we are counting, only 9 number is coming. We are all totally 10. Dashamam. But only Nava is coming. 9 only coming. Okay. Then Guru, that Mahatma asked, again count. I will tell you. Your 10th person also is here only. Then they started counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That Mahatma said, you will 10 vitita. Hey, and the 10 needa pa. Dashamaha, Thomasi, you are that 10th man. You are that 10th man. Adu madri, the body will die. Sukshma Sarira is inert. Who is remaining? Consciousness. Why you are crying for this body, Arjuna? Consciousness is always there. And the 10th student மாதிரி நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? நம்ம ஆத்மானி கவுண்ட் பண்ணாமலே என்ன கவுண்ட் பண்றோம்? பஞ்சபூத உடல் நான் நினைச்சு அழுதுட்டே இருக்கோம். அதுக்கு தான் டெத் ஹேப்பன்ஸ்னா people cry. The wise people never cry. Panditaha na shochanti. Wise people never cry. They have never grief at all. Why? They know that I am that consciousness. Nityaha, ajaha, ekaha, sarvagataha, aprameha, avyayaha, akarta, abhokta, atma, ahamasmi. Who can come and destroy me? How is it possible? Because of me only all these are surviving. They come to existence, they manifest and they go. Arjuna, understand? This body of Bhishma Drona will be perished. But that Atma will never perish. That's what he said. Nainam chindanti shastrani, nainam dahati pavakaha, nachainam kledayam tyapaha, na soshayati marutaha. Same idea he conveys in the next shloka also. We read 24th shloka. Achedyoyamadahyoyam Akledyo shosya evacha Nitya sarvagata sthanuhu Achaloyam sanatanaha I am this self, this Atma, Achedyaha. There Shastrani na chindanti, he said. Now, here he says Achedyaha, not cuttable. It can never be possible to cut this Atma. What to talk of Atma? Space cut panna mudiyadu. Space cut panna mudiyuma? கட் பண்ண முடியும்னா எல்லாரும் எடுத்துட்டு போவா. 700 ஸ்கொயர் ஃபீட் என்ன சாமி கொஞ்சம் எடுத்துட்டு போவான், வெளியில இருந்து கட் பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு போவான். தேங்க் காட் இட் இஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள் யாருக்குமே. ஸ்பேஸ் யூ கேனாட் கட் அண்ட் த சங்க் ஆஃப் ஸ்பேஸ் யூ கேனாட் கேரி. வை? கட் பண்ணணும்னா அதுக்கு அவயவம் இருக்கணும், பார்ட்ஸ் இருந்தா தானே கட் பண்ண முடியும். ஸ்பேஸுக்கு பார்ட்ஸ் கிடையாது. therefore you cannot cut it. You can divide the water, you can divide the fire, you can divide the earth. You cannot divide this Akasha and Vayu. Akasha and Vayu you cannot divide because there is no avayavam. There are no parts. That's why they are very sukshma. Akasha and Vayu are very sukshma, very, very subtle than fire and water and Prithvi. That's why Akasha and Vayu are invisible, not visible. Whereas fire, water, earth are visible. Akasha and Vayuve cut panna mudiyadu, not visible. What to talk of Atma from whom these they have come? Illiyo? Akasha, Vayu born out of Brahman, Atma. That Atma must be more subtle than Akasha and Vayu. Therefore he says, I am Atma Achedyaha, cannot be cut. I am Adahyaha, na dahati pavakaha, he said there. Here he says, I am Adahyaha, this cannot be burnt. This Atma can never be burned by anything. Akledyaha, cannot be wet. So you join means nakledyaha akledyaha. Nadahyaha adahyaha. Nachedyaha achedyaha. Na soshyaha ashoshyaha, cannot be dried. There shoshayati marutaha na soshayati he says, but he says ashoshyaha. Na soshayati chunnanum ashoshyaha chunnanum onnuda. அர்ஜுனுக்கு அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் ஆர் நாட்னு சொல்லி திருப்பி சொல்றாரு. புனருக்தி தோஷம் வராது, சொன்னதே சொல்லலாமான்னு. பரவாயில்ல, சொன்னதே சொன்னா நல்லா புரியறதுக்காக சொல்லும் போது தப்பில்லை. ஓகே. cannot be dried by the air, cannot be wet by the water, cannot burnt by the fire, cannot cut by the any weapon. Why? What is the reason? I am Atma, this self is Nityaha. I am Atma. I am means this Atma, this self. Nityaha, eternal. Sthanuhu, Nityaha Sthanuhu, together we have to read. Sarvagataha Achalaha, together we have to read. Sarvagataha Achalaha. எப்படி புரிஞ்சுக்கணும்? நித்யத்வாத் ஸ்தாணுஹு, நித்யத்வாத் ஸ்தாணுஹு, சர்வகதத்வாத் அச்சலஹ. Since it is eternal, it is sthanuhu. Sthanuhu means changeless. Changeless means kala atitaha. Any change happens in course of time. Since Atma is changeless, it is beyond time principle. Kalatitaha. Kalatitaha hu Atma. Why? Nityatvat. అందుకని ఆత్మకి డేట్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్, డేట్ ఆఫ్ డెత్ சொல்ல முடியாது. டேட் ஆஃப் பர்த், டேட் ஆஃப் டெத் யாருக்கு? இந்த ஸ்தூல சரீரத்துக்கு தான். மனசுக்கே டேட் ஆஃப் பர்த், டேட் ஆஃப் டெத் கிடையாது. வாட் டு டாக் ஆஃப் ஆத்மா? So therefore he says sthanuhu, changeless. Then sarvagatatvat achalaha. Since it is all pervading, it cannot move. Achalaha, it is achalaha, immovable. Chalam means moving, Achalaha means immovable. So that which is all pervading cannot move. Space can move? No. Atma also cannot move. Consciousness can never move. That is the meaning. Next shloka. The all pervading means space-wise limitation is negated. புரியுறதோ? இங்க இருக்க அங்க இல்லைன்னு கிடையாது. சர்வகதா ஆல் பர்வேடிங் என்ன அர்த்தம்? தேசம், தேசம் மீன்ஸ் ஸ்பேஸ் வைஸ் லிமிடேஷன் இஸ் நாட் தேர் டு ஆத்மா. தட்ஸ் வை இன் பிரஹ்லாத சரித்திரம் போத்தன ரோட் வென் பிரஹ்லாத சேஸ் நோ he is సర్వోపగతండు ఎందెందు వెతకి చూచిన అందందే గలడు. ఇందు గలడు అందు లేడని సందేహము వలదు, చక్రి సర్వోపగతుండు ఎందెందు వెతకి చూచిన అందందే గలడు. 8-year-old boy Prahlada tells his father, hey, where is Narayana? He asks. Narayana is everywhere. Everywhere, show me in this pillar, Anna. Yes, come on, he has shown. He asked Lord to come and give darshan. That means what? Lord is all pervading. இந்த ஆல் பர்வேடிங் இந்த அப்டிராக்ட் சொன்ன நம்ம புரியாதுன்னு சொல்லி அங்க பிரஹ்லாதன் மூலமா சொல்ல வச்சுட்டார் பாகவதத்துல. புரியுறத? ஆல் பர்வேடிங் பகவான் என்னன்னு அர்த்தம்? பகவான் இஸ் எவ்ரிவேர். Bhagavan is all pervading. Some people ask, where is Bhagavan? Our children only ask, எங்க இருக்காம்மா கடவுள்? கடவுளே கிடையாது. Where is he? நாம என்ன சொல்றோம்? எங்க இல்லைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். எங்க இருக்க அவனு கேட்டா நம்ம என்ன கவுண்டர் கொஸ்டின், நெவர் ஆன்சர். எங்க இல்லையோ நீ காமி, அப்ப நான் எங்க இருக்கும் நான் காமிக்கிறேன்னு சொல்றோம். எங்க இல்லைன்னு நீங்க சொல்ல முடியாது இல்லையோ, அதனால எங்க இருக்கன்னு நான் நம்புறேன் அப்படி சொல்லணும். ஓகே, சனாதனஹ, one word is there. Sanatanaha means unborn. Sanatana means old and artham. Very old and artham. Old and unborn and artham here. Sanatanam, ancient. So from the 25th onwards he gives the reasons again. From 11 to 24 he has given the features of Atma, Atma Lakshanams, up to 24 over. Then from 25th onwards, 25th also he explains the same way, Atma nature. Then 26th onwards he says, 26th and 28th, some hypothetical analysis Lord Krishna does about this Atma. Therefore, Atma is untouched by anyone, by anything. It is beyond time and space. Kala atitaha Atma and deshatitaha Atma. Who is that Atma? Sthula sharirama, sukshma sharirama, consciousness. Consciousness. இப்போ ஸ்தூல சரீரம் இஸ் கமிங் அண்ட் கோயிங். ஐ ஆம் అని சொன்னா ఏది నాను ఇది మూడులో ఓసియా ఆర్సియా ఆర్ఎమ్మా? If you take RM, you have to cry. Sorrow will come. You don't want sorrow. If you take mind also jadam. You want to be as a jadam? No. Therefore, what do you want to say? I am sentient consciousness, Atma. Appa all futures belong to who? Me, the OC. புரியுறதா? அந்த லட்சணங்கள் எல்லாம் யாருடைய லட்சணம்? என்னுடைய லட்சணங்கள் சுவாமி சொல்லுங்க எல்லாருமே அப்படி. யூ ஹாவ் டு சே, because I don't want to be this inert body, I don't want to be this inert mind. These two are surviving because of me, the OC, original consciousness. మరి ఏం தெரிய மாட்டேங்கிறதே என்ன? அதுதான் covering ajnanam. To remove that cover only, no study. We are studying. Therefore, come to the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.